A few years ago, marketing my creative business felt like a full-time job. On top of my solopreneurial journey, I was constantly chasing trends, second-guessing my ideas, and spending hours creating content that didn't even feel like me. If that sounds familiar, this story is going to feel like a deep exhale. Ciao, y'all. I'm Chiara, content marketer, strategist, and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative entrepreneurs simplify their marketing with AI-powered strategies so they can grow their audience and stay in their creative flow. Today, I'm sharing the story behind how I turned my own burnout into a repeatable, sustainable system, one that now helps my coaching clients do the same. Let's rewind a bit. I used to treat marketing like a to-do list. Post here, write there, keep up with algorithms, try every hack. I was creating so much, but nothing felt connected. My message was scattered, my energy even worse. I spent hours on content only to feel invisible online as if it wasn't enough, no matter the effort. And honestly, I started to wonder if I was just bad at marketing my business. Spoiler, I wasn't. I just didn't have a strategy that fit me. That shift happened when I stopped asking, how can I post more? And started asking, how can I say more with less instead? That's when I started experimenting with AI, not as a replacement, but as a collaborator. I combined it with content strategy principles I've been learning and using for clients, which are clarity, consistency, and storytelling. Suddenly, I had a system. I could plan, batch, and refine my content, all while keeping my creative energy focused on the ideas that matter most. Once I integrated AI into my process, everything changed. My content became more consistent and intentional. My productivity doubled. I was showing up online without burning out, and my audience, they started to connect with my voice again. The shift was so huge that my successful story was also featured in a case study. I'll drop the link below in case you want to give it a read. From dreading content creation for months to having a full quarter's worth of content planned in just 2-3 days, I could see the motivation and enthusiasm coming back. All because I finally had clarity on my message and a simple AI-assisted workflow to support it. That transformation from overwhelmed to aligned is exactly what inspired my one-on-one coaching program for creative entrepreneurs. It's not just about teaching content marketing, it's about helping you design an AI-powered content system that works for you. Because when your marketing supports your creativity instead of draining it, you create from a place of flow and confidence, not force. So, if you're ready to simplify your marketing and bring more ease into your creative business, download my free guide below. It'll help you start mapping out your own AI-assisted workflow, one that gives you your time and creative energy back. And if this story resonated with you, hit subscribe and join the Museum Creative community, where we're redefining what marketing can look like for creatives like you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao!